Hello and welcome to my tarot series. In this video, I will talk about the Lenormand cards. The Lenormand deck is made up of 36 cards, which are numbered, as you can see here, from 1 to 36. And these cards came into being in the late 18th century. The name Lenormand comes from Marie-Anne Adélaïde Lenormand, who was a French fortune teller. She was very famous during the Napoleonic era in France. Miss Lenormand was born in 1772 in Normandy, and her father was a draper. She was orphaned at the age of 5 and she was educated in a convent school. Later, in 1786, she left for Paris. She gave cartomantic advice to many famous persons from the French Revolution like Robespierre, Marat, Saint-Just, and even the Empress Josephine, the wife of Napoleon. And she worked for more than 40 years as a cartomancer. When she died, she left a considerable fortune of 500,000 francs and had no heirs except of one nephew, who at the time of her death was in the army. And because the nephew of Mademoiselle Lenormand was a devout Catholic, he decided to burn all the occult items of Mademoiselle Lenormand, and he only kept the monetary fortune.